Hey, what's up guys? It's Abhishek and today I'm going to unbox the Asus Zenfone 3 Max. So look at the box first. The design of the box is pretty cool and the build quality is great. Now let's open the box and take the first look. And that's the Asus Zenfone 3 Max. So keep the phone in the side and see what's inside the box. At the top we get the manual, and this is a warranty card. This is a adapter, a USB Type-C cable, earphone, a USB Type-C OTG cable, and earbuds. At the top, this is the SIM card tray remover. Now keep the box and accessory sides and boot up the phone. This device is very slim and the body design is great. Everything is set now and you can see the specifications right now on the screen. Let's check the Android version. The Android version is 6.0.1 Marshmallow. Now I'm setting up my fingerprint. Fingerprint is set now. As you can see, its fingerprint is fast, unlock in one touch. Really, this device is very fast, not stuck anywhere, everything open quickly. This is a budget device, comes with 17,000 Indian rupees and 262 US dollar. Its 16 megapixel rear camera is really good. It takes pictures quickly even when HDR mode is on. This device also have the infrared for fast focus. So that's all in this video. If you enjoy this video, hit the like and subscribe button, share it with your friends, comment if you have any question, and I will see you in the next one.